Hi my beautiful kids divas, it is your girl Traycee Simmons and I am back with another video. If you are not subscribed to me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button down below. That way you can stay up to date to all of my natural videos, natural hair care and beauty videos. I did a hot oil treatment. Now I have been tweaking my regimen because I have recently colored my hair and I want to make sure that it stays healthy. I want to make sure that my color lasts and I want to make sure that I retain moisture and don't have breakage and any of that other stuff. One of the favorite things that I love to do are hot oil treatments. Now I will say some people make hot oil treatments so complicated. Like if you look up hot oil treatments, they'll use like 20 oils. And so if you are new to the natural hair journey, you don't have to go spend $50 on oils. You can do a hot oil treatment with just one oil if that's what you have. I did this hot oil treatment with just coconut oil and olive oil. Now, none of the oils are the same. They all hold its own value, and some oils are better than other oils to me, or just in general, depending on your needs. So I would definitely suggest that you look up oils and see the benefits. You have some oils that are sealants. You got some oils that actually will penetrate your hair shaft. You have oils that will nourish and condition the hair, and you have some oils that have ceramides in it. A lot of different options, and you got oils that have different vitamins or disinfectant properties and all kind of stuff. So depending on your hair needs, I would definitely take the time to research the oils. That way you can get the most out of your hot oil treatments. Your popular oils for hot oil treatments are grapeseed oil because of its ceramides properties. Coconut oil, olive oil is a wonderful one for kinky hair. Jojoba oil, almond oil, like those are very popular oils. Now back in the days you had this big debate on whether or not oil treatments were better before or after you shampoo your hair. I have done both and I think they work both ways. Now I will say this, now that I'm natural and my go-to style are wash and goes, and because I use gel in my hair, I don't like doing the oil treatments on dirty hair because it's like it's goopy and yucky. So I prefer to remove the product. That way I know that the oils can really penetrate my hair. So the way that I do my oil treatments is I start out on freshly washed hair and then I apply my oils. If you don't have a hooded dryer or a heating cap, I would suggest warming up your oils before applying it to the hair. That way it can penetrate, and leave it on for 30 minutes. I have a hooded dryer, so I still warm up my oils out of habit, but if you have a hooded dryer, you don't have the need for that. The benefits of hot oil treatments are very many, but my favorite is that it softens and nourishes the hair. It restores dryness. It controls frizz. It keeps your hair color looking vibrant, and it adds shine. Now the two oils that I chose to use for this are coconut oil and olive oil. Now coconut oil stimulates growth, penetrates the hair shaft, softens, nourishes the hair. Olive oil is high in antioxidants like vitamin A, vitamin E. It has a disinfectant and soothing and healing properties. Those are the two oils that I chose to use, and I love that combination. Another oil that I love using is avocado, and my fourth favorite oil to use usually is the almond oil. After applying my oils to my hair, I cover my hair with a plastic cap and I set under the hooded dryer for 15 to 20 minutes, somewhere around there. When I jumped back in the shower to rinse that out, my hair felt amazing. It feels so soft. Like as soon as the water hits it and you're rinsing it out, you can feel the softness in your hair. Oh, you can feel the softness in your hair. Now I shampoo, do my hot oil treatment, and then I deep condition on top of, you know, after I rinse my oils out of my hair. That's the way I prefer to do it. But again, if you do it before you shampoo or after, it's not going to make a big difference. Now I would suggest hot oil treatments to anyone that is suffering dry hair, anyone that wants to add additional shine to their hair, or anyone that is struggling with single strand knots. hot oil treatments or oil rinses would be perfect for you. How often should you do a hot oil treatment? Some people do it once a week, where others do it once a month. It really depends on your hair needs. If your hair is really dry and you suffer from dryness, I would suggest doing it weekly. I'm not going to do it weekly because I feel like that's my pamper day, and it's just so many steps in a wash day. So right now I'm going to start off with once a month, but with my newly colored hair, if I feel like I need to do it more, then I'll move it up to twice a month, every other week. Anyways, that is how I do my hot oil treatments. I keep things as simple as possible. I use only 1 or 2 oils at a time. When I do them, I take some boiling water, pour it in a bowl, and sit my oils in another container inside of that hot water. I try not to microwave oils and stuff like that, because you will lose, you know, a lot of its properties in the microwave. So just remember that. Also, be careful of burns if you are warming up any oil. If you want to take your natural hair to a different level, trust me, do the hot oil treatment. It is one of the best kept secrets ever. You will thank me if you are not doing them now. Try them. It is so worth it. I love you guys. God bless all of you guys. I don't know why I'm doing this. What is this? I love you guys. God bless all of you guys. If you are not following me on Instagram, follow your girl Traycee Simmons. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button. That way you can stay up to date to all of my videos. God bless you. Bye.